Next part to this whole thing is taking these pallets off, these planks, so I could have them all nice and flushed up. So I don't have the special tool to take off the nails, and if you guys know, it's sometimes very hard to take them off. What I'm going to show you right now is something that's worked for me in the past, so hopefully it works for you. So all I did is grab some scrap wood, put them in between, get up in there, put them in between, then I hit right here, and as you can see, it lifts up the nails. Let me show you on the other side. There you go. Now stay tuned. So now, after I've removed the planks, we got to remove these nails so I can be able to sand this down nice and neat. So gotta get the good old hammer and start nailing down, so stay tuned. Alright, once you're done, make sure you clean up all the nails. Make sure that no bikes, no kids, no pets can get harmed. Now I'm going to sand it down with a 220 grit, ultra fine. If you've seen one of my last videos, I had a fail where it wasn't compatible, so I made sure that this time it was compatible with my Ryobi deal. So and there you have it, finished product.